African airlines are operating in a high-cost environment. The cost of fuel, for example, is very high in Africa. It's 30 to 35% higher than the rest of the world. And if you consider that the fuel represent 30 to 40% of an airline's operating cost, you can understand the high cost operation for our airlines. African airlines are also facing a high level of taxes levied by government on the air transport sector. And also you can see that the traffic is very thin in Africa for many reasons. Air transport, because of high cost, is not affordable for African citizens. If you consider that the average GDP, for example, in Europe is more than 30,000 euros per capita, and in Africa, the average is under $5,000. So African citizens have difficulties to buy tickets and to travel also. Those are the main reasons why so far African airlines are suffering. The impact of coronavirus today is not easy to apprehend because, the disease is spreading. It's coming in Africa. For example, this morning I heard on radio that maybe Burkina Faso also has one case, and it will be difficult to say what will be the impact. But we can say that if you look at China, Africa is trading a lot with China. In terms of revenues, with China, African airlines are doing 5% of their revenues, and 7% in Asia Pacific. So it means 12% in Asia. So the coronavirus will have an impact on trading between Africa and China and Asia Pacific for sure. Many airlines have decided to stop their operation to China. Only Ethiopian Airlines is continuing to operate, but they have reduced also the number of flights to China. And we hope that the disease will not spread in many African countries, and we expect that we will have a negative impact on worldwide economy this year and also in African economy. And in East Africa, for time being, there is no case of coronavirus, but for airline, it's really a big issue. For example, Lufthansa in Europe has grounded 150 aircraft, and the Singapore Airlines has grounded 50% of their fleet. It will mean a lot of loss for these countries. And this morning I heard that all Italy country has been put in quarantine. It means for up to 3rd of April. It means that the economy in this country will be impacted also. So there will be an impact on Africa, but I cannot tell today what will be the importance of this impact. So there are many levels of preparation for coronavirus. One of the preparation is at states level, because the World Health Organization is advising states to put some measure at airport and also in daily behavior of people, so that to limit the spread of this disease. The WHO is not advising to stop airlines operation, but in fact, many passengers are stopping to travel. I came back from Europe on Sunday.